Hello everybody, my name is Kati and this is my channel. Welcome everybody to watch what happens in my lifestyle video. What's the weather? It's sunny and on October. Sunrise was 7:42 am and sunset will be 6:41 pm. Humidity is 73%. Today we are hunting and identifying wild mushrooms in their natural environment. Welcome everybody to watch this educational nature short movie. It's an autumn season and we are picking a funnel chanterelle. In Latin, Craterellus tubaeformis. In Swedish, trattkantarell. The funnel chanterelle is an excellent edible mushroom. The brown color activates the central sacrum. Autumn season time means that in September and October nature is in a different shade of color. Unique, bitten by frost and lasts for about 8 weeks. After that, it normally snows. You're welcome to presentation of our new Cheverly set named The Berries. The Berries Cheverly set includes 1 pair of earrings, 1 bracelet and 1 necklace. We are hunting a sheep polu 4. In Latin, Albatrellus ovinus. In Swedish, fortikka. At the mixed forest. Somebody is hunting a diapple fungus. In Latin, Tapinella atrotomentosa. It feels like a velvet. Yellow food is very similar to the funnel-shaped sedge, but rare, grows in damp places. Forest mushroom health benefits are protect brain health, stimulate a healthier gut, support a healthy immune system, decrease the risk of cancer, lower sodium intake, provide a source of vitamin D for bad cholesterol. Nature photography in Instagram by @kati.makinen8. Welcome everybody! Mycology is the study of fungi. A group that includes the mushrooms and yeasts. Many fungi are useful in medicine and industry. Has many important applications in the dairy, wine, and baking industries. And in the production of dyes and inks. That kind is the mycology. We are mushroom pickers. The berries Chevelliset has made of semi-precious gemstones. And has fashion colors like pink. Forest mushrooms are good for us. Nature videography in Instagram by @kati.makinen8. Welcome everybody! You don't have to parboil these funnel chanterelles. Here lays many old gemstones and moss. Different varieties Nordic trees. There are growing a heather link between roots. A Jersey cow mushroom is an edible fungi, in Latin Suillus bovinus. Red is a stress color. They adapt to the nutrient economy and the climate, protective substances against winter. The wonderful natural phenomenon is admired internationally. Here you can see an anthill. Wood ants have built it to the old fireplace. In Latin, formica rufa. The wood ant is well established and vibrant. In North, in Swedish, myra. We are waiting for rain, says mushrooms. An unknown fungi. A red-hot milkcap is one of salt fungi. In Latin, Lactarius rufus. It's one of the commercial mushrooms. In Swedish, peppariska. See the links below at kati.makinen8. We love fungus food. The berries, Chevelliset, has red and white protection. White pearls are white jade. Mushrooms have a sporocarp, cap, gills, stem and spores. Milkcaps have milk, like you see. A gem-studded puffball grows on the ground in litter. In Latin, Lycoperdon perlatum. As a solid and whitish edible mushroom, but not commercial one. The sponges can be decomposer, pathogen or parasite. Or like we love, food, medicine and edible like this. But all funguses have mycelium and live in symbiosis. We don't have to parboil the funnel chanterelle at all. We clean the mushrooms already at the forest. We remove the debris and the dirty bottom of the leg, if there is one. We chop the funguses and split them to see. if there are larvae in them. We process the shrooms as quickly as possible. After picking, we may educate ourselves as a commercial mushroom pickers. The yellow food has same healthy benefits. Then the funnel chandler. We are continuing hunting. watching. We hope you reach mushroom hunting. See you on our next videos and the previous ones. Please share, order and join to our channel at kati.makinen8. God bless us. The script, photographs, the idea, poems and videos by at kati.makinen8. Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel to at katimakinen8647. Welcome to our Instagram page to at kati.makinen8.